Hey guys, so here today we're going to be seeing my project BotaniCart. It's a full stack application for plants and products. So here is the product page of a product with details and a bar with related products. And we go to another product, we can add it to cart and open cart and delete it if not necessary. And here is plant care dashboard with plant care guides to guide you about how to plant and all. So you can go through categories and shop through them with the list of plants with filters on the side. And then we have a profile page with profile details, order history and its details, billing info which can be saved to be used later in checkout, and other preferences settings. This can be changed here, and we click on checkout. Here is a small summary and it can be clicked to proceed. So let's see admin page. Admin page, we have the dashboard with some information, and you can go to products and add products or edit them. And we have JSON uploaders for care guides and products to directly upload and edit them lists. And we have a separate category list to edit each category. So here I am taking and editing the picture of fertilizers, and now we're going to be seeing it changed on the main website. So yeah, now this is the mobile phone view. This is to show that it is responsive, and we see the filters getting aligned in an action button at the bottom and product page aligned properly for the viewport. And we can just scroll, add to cart and go to checkout as usual, but in a responsive layout, and process the order. And by clicking view orders, you can view the orders and also do the same thing with plant care. You can check out the website on BotaniCart, Vercel.app, or visit my GitHub. Thank you.